mathematics. So I want all of you to take out this book, hands-on math book B2, and open page 4.
Okay children, please have a look. What picture is this? Yes, it is butterfly. Can you count with me how many is the butterfly? Let's recount together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. Now you need to write the number 15 inside this box. Children, for homework, I want you to open page 4. Circle the page and write down D and D. Let's reread the instruction together. Finger point, count and write the answer. Okay children, you can do this like we do just now. You count at the picture and then you write the answer inside the box.
See, it's very easy, right, to do the counting. So teacher want you to finish your homework and don't forget, drink a lot of water. Love you.